The world is a chaotic place and anything can happen that might threaten your survival. There is no other way than to be prepared, and we are here to help you get ready for anything. Our today's video is on doomsday survival gear and gadgets preppers should have. The purchase links and updated price are linked in the video description for your convenience. Let us get started. Gearing up for the unexpected, the Kahaka 15-liter combat and day pack stands out as a versatile and sturdy option for all carrying needs. This compact pack features a 15-liter capacity, expandable by an additional 5 liters through its pleated side pouches, making it perfect for stowing survival essentials. The spacious main compartment is designed with a fold-top closure secured by SR buckles for easy access, while a dedicated hydration bladder compartment ensures you stay hydrated on the go. With compression straps and attachment points, you can secure extra gear, and an external zippered pouch keeps smaller items readily accessible. Comfort is prioritized with a removable back pad made from closed-cell foam, doubling as a sitting or kneeling pad when needed. The padded contoured shoulder straps, complete with D-rings for adjustability and a removable sternum strap, offer a customized fit. Built from durable 1000D and 500D Cordura, the Kahaka 15 is ready for rugged use, ensuring reliability for any doomsday scenario. A reliable personal defense tool that also acts as a flashlight, the Batl 1500 is designed specifically for low visibility situations. With a formidable 1500 lumen spotlight, this flashlight delivers exceptional brightness to illuminate dark environments, while its defensive strobe mode can disorient potential threats, providing vital seconds to react and strategize. Constructed from durable aluminum, it features a textured grip for secure handling and a rubber bumper to absorb impacts, ensuring it stands up to tough conditions. The light is also IPX6 water resistant, making it suitable for use in rain or adverse weather, which is crucial for survival scenarios. Despite its robust features, this flashlight remains lightweight and manageable, measuring only 16 inches in length. Whether you're navigating through low-light areas or need a reliable tool for personal protection, the Batl 1500 stands out as an essential part of any prepper's gear collection. For preppers focused on comprehensive emergency readiness, the Mira Safety Geiger 2 is a tool that combines a radiation detector and dosimeter in a compact portable package. This lightweight device, weighing under 100 grams, features a water-resistant housing and a built-in solar panel, ensuring reliability even in adverse conditions. The Geiger 2 effectively detects ionizing radiation levels from 0 to 999 microsieverts per hour using a gas-filled tube, providing real-time readings crucial for personal safety. Additionally, it tracks accumulated radiation doses over 30 days, offering valuable data for medical professionals if exposure occurs. Its versatility allows it to monitor ambient radiation levels during daily activities, travel, or emergencies, such as nuclear incidents, helping users make informed decisions about evacuation or sheltering in place. Lastly, the Geiger 2's user-friendly interface features multiple menus and customizable settings, making it easy to operate. When venturing into the backwoods, having a reliable shelter is crucial, and the One Tigress Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 is designed with survivalists in mind. Crafted from 75D ripstop nylon, this shelter is built to withstand the elements with its waterproof seams. Weighing only 1450 grams, it fits for backpacking, traveling, and camping. The versatile design allows to set up a porch area with the canopy or zip it up into a sturdy A-frame tent. With features like reinforced grommets, wide double K zippers, and a double-layered entrance for superb ventilation, this tent is ready for any season. The thoughtful details, including a lantern attach point and tie-out points for extra stability, make it a standout choice. Plus, it comes with 10 lightweight aluminum stakes, 6 guy lines, and a waterproof compression bag for easy carrying. Whether you're trekking or hiking, the One Tigress Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 can be the perfect fit for any prepared survivalist. Clean water is crucial in any survival situation, and access to it will increase your survival tenfold. That is where the Grail Ultra Press comes in. It isn't just compact and easy to use, but it also ensures you're drinking safe, purified water wherever you are. It removes waterborne pathogens and is built from CP4 Grade 1 titanium, making it incredibly durable and lightweight. The laser-engraved topo art adds a sleek touch, but it's not just about looks. The OnePress global filtration system is award-winning for a reason. It's ridiculously easy to use. Just fill, press, and drink. Plus, it has a one-way silicone valve and a paracord D-ring loop, and it fits any cup holder. You can also use it to heat food and water, perfect for those cold nights. And with ultra-powdered activated carbon, it even handles heavy metals and chemicals. It's also drink mix ready, so you can add electrolytes or flavor without clogging the filter. You might be the kind of person who doesn't like regular emergency tents, yet is looking for a different tent that comes with a full perimeter tub floor for additional splash protection. We got the Slingfin Splitwing mesh body tent on this list. This ultralight bug shelter is designed to mesh perfectly with the Splitwing tarp, but also shines on its own or with other tarps. It stays attached to the Splitwing, ensuring a dry pitch every time, and shields you from bugs and unwanted critters. Features include straight zippers for durability, a robust PE-coated 20D ripstop floor, and a spacious stuff sack for easy storage. With internal sealing O-rings for hanging gear, side pullouts for increased volume, and an 11 ounces or 332 grams weight, it's roomy enough for one, but can accommodate 2 hardcore UL hikers if needed. Ideal for through hikes, it's your go-to for modular and versatile ultralight camping. While it comes to preparedness, very few can beat the Rhino Companion V2 in this case. This is the most versatile emergency survival system built from the ground up, stocked with over 40 life-saving gears and gadgets we've seen so far. This bootstrap comes in a compact package of fire-resistant and waterproof 1200D micro-hex pack, featuring 6 custom modular components and Hippalon attachment points. Inside, you'll find essentials for warmth, tools, sight and air, light, comms, first aid, food, and water. From a 5-inch full tang blade, magnesium ferro rod, and multi-tool to N95 masks, reflective goggles, and a 100-plus piece first aid kit, it's got you covered. The Companion V2 also includes a solar or crank radio flashlight, rechargeable flashlight, headlamp, Daytrex food rations, water filter, and a 1-liter stainless steel bottle. This pack ensures you're confident enough to handle anything, anywhere. For those who value both comfort and functionality in a headlamp, the BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro seems quite that much well fit for unwanted dark tracks or handling campsite jobs easily. This ultra-bright 800 lumen headlamp, designed with BioLite's 3D slim fit construction, integrates electronics directly into the band for a secure, bounce-free fit. With 6 dimmable modes, including red and white settings, complete control over illumination is achieved. The standout Pro feature, Constant Mode, ensures the light remains steady without dimming over time. Additionally, the headlamp features a 4-position tilt front lens, moisture-wicking smart fabric, and easy adjust clips for a balanced, nearly weightless feel. Equipped with a micro USB and run forever cable input, it allows for pass-through plus charging, making it perfect for extended adventures and cold weather use. With an IPX4 weather resistance rating, the BioLite Headlamp 800 is prepared for any condition, ensuring illumination and comfort on any journey. A powerful and versatile light source is important in emergencies, and the Streamlight Light Box fills that criteria. Designed for industrial use, this rechargeable floodlight lantern boasts 4 powerful LEDs and shallow reflectors, delivering a wide beam pattern perfect for illuminating large spaces. With an articulating head, you can direct light precisely where you need it, and the large push-button switch makes it easy to operate, even with gloves on. Available in 2 configurations, the standard system includes a shoulder strap, AC/DC charge cords, and a charging rack, while the vehicle mount system adds a direct wire vehicle mountable rack for mobile use. Offering 2 brightness modes, the Lightbox provides 1,500 lumens on high, with a 7.5-hour runtime and 350 lumens on low for up to 17.75 hours. Compact and lightweight at just over 3 pounds, this lantern is ideal for emergency power outages, worksite lighting, or any outdoor situation requiring reliable illumination. As a prepper, being ready for CBRN threats is essential, and the Avon Protection NH15 CBRN Air Purifying Escape Respirator is a compact, reliable solution for such emergencies. Designed with first responders, military personnel, and corrections officers in mind, this escape hood offers critical respiratory, eye, and face protection for at least 15 minutes, enough time to evacuate dangerous environments. Its small and compact size makes it easy to store and carry, yet it doesn't compromise protection. The clear material ensures that communication remains clear and non-threatening, even in high-stress scenarios. Twin low-profile filters reduce both breathing resistance and the risk of snagging, while a front reflector enhances visibility in low-light conditions. With a 5-year shelf life, the NH15 is always ready when needed, and it's been rigorously tested. NIOSH CBRN approved and CE marked, this escape respirator is critical to any prepper's doomsday survival kit. The Nightcore NWL20 flashlight is a must-have for any prepper's gear, offering dependable versatility across critical survival scenarios. Built for everything from camping and outdoor exploration to high-stakes roles like law enforcement, hunting, and military operations, this compact flashlight fits right into a bug-out bag or pocket without taking up too much space. Its dual output allows for adaptable lighting options, letting you conserve battery power or boost brightness based on your needs. The NWL20's replaceable battery feature is a huge plus, making it a reliable choice for extended use or emergencies when recharging isn't possible. Designed for powerful beams, it's a solid choice for search and rescue, ensuring long-distance visibility and enhanced detail with high CRI options. Lightweight yet durable, the NWL20 is ready for anything from nighttime hikes to emergency rescues, helping preppers stay prepared in any low-light situation they might encounter. For any prepper, the Whand Survival AX is a flexible tool in the field, offering essential functionality and portability. This mole-compatible hatchet can easily be attached to your backpack or bug-out bag, making it an ideal companion on hikes, camping trips, or bug-out scenarios. Its compact build is designed for a range of survival tasks, from splitting kindling and chopping wood to carving for shelters, setting traps, and taking care of bushcraft needs. Crafted from premium materials, it's built to withstand tough conditions with a sharp, well-balanced blade that handles with ease. The handle offers a comfortable angle that's effective for both chopping and throwing, while the maul sheath ensures it stays secure and accessible. It can clean paths, help in vehicle recovery, and even waste removal, making it a versatile addition to any prepper's gear lineup. The Spark necklace offers preppers a unique blend of style and survival functionality, combining a fire-starting tool with everyday wearability. This necklace isn't just for looks. It's equipped with a powerful ferro rod capable of producing sparks at a blistering 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to ignite a flame no matter the conditions. Crafted with a ceramic scraper 10 times tougher than steel, it's built to withstand repeated use, offering thousands of strikes for reliable fire starting over time. The ceramic tool isn't just for sparks either. It doubles as a handy multi-purpose tool with functions ranging from a gouge and spoon knife to a seatbelt cutter, awl and saw. Handcrafted in the USA and available in plain or patterned stone designs, this necklace comes with an adjustable leather strap, ensuring it's as comfortable as it is functional. Free from harmful chemicals, the Spark necklace brings peace of mind, making it an essential piece for any prepper seeking convenience and utility on the go. Survival Frog's canned meats are an ideal addition to any prepper's stash, promising a solid shelf life of at least 5 years with the potential to last up to 25 years or more under the right conditions. This longevity stems from their precise canning method. Raw meat is hand-packed into cans and pressure-cooked, sealing in both quality and freshness. To get the most life from these cans, store them in a cool, dark place, ideally at a steady 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. These cans come with a manufacturing date code, which tells you the type of meat and the exact production date, helpful for tracking inventory over the years. In the event of an emergency, their smaller 14.5-ounce cans are handy since they reduce waste when refrigeration isn't available. Otherwise, once opened, the meat lasts 3-4 days in the fridge. With options like beef, chicken, and ground beef, Survival Frog's canned meats is a practical, protein-rich backup plan in any prepper's pantry. The GM300 series radiation detector by CESTON is essential for any prepper serious about monitoring environmental hazards. This compact, lightweight device is equipped with a TFT LCD and delivers alerts via sound, light, voice, and vibration, ensuring no unnoticed exposure to radiation. It uses GM tube detectors to provide accurate beta, gamma, and X-ray readings, making it suitable for diverse scenarios. With its 2200 mAh battery, Type-C charging, and fast and smooth operation modes, the GM300 is designed for reliability on the go. It even features a 1-hour curve map for real-time radiation exposure tracking, automatic accumulation, and manual reset options. For those looking to expand their monitoring toolkit, Whand Technology also offers a range of specialized detectors and sensors. From nuclear radiation detectors to industrial-grade water turbidity sensors, these products deliver precise data outputs, ideal for long-term prepping and staying informed about environmental conditions. The Mira Safety Mop 1 CBRN Protective Suit provides full body protection for biological threats. This next-gen suit offers full body protection while being lightweight, weighing only 2.5 kilos, which is significantly less than traditional hazmat suits. Designed for extended use, it can be worn continuously for up to 30 days and decontaminated 10 times without losing effectiveness. The Mop 1 incorporates advanced carbon spheres in its semi-permeable construction, which allows breathability while absorbing harmful contaminants. Its full front military-grade zipper and adjustable waist make it easy to put on, ensuring a secure fit for various body types. Double-layer enclosures at the wrists and ankles ensure a tight seal, protecting against vapor and gas intrusion, and the integrated hood works seamlessly with most gas masks. A machete like the Condor Rude Boy can be used in a variety of situations, including Doomsday. Crafted by Joe Flowers, a respected blade designer inspired by Latino culture and the machete-making traditions of El Salvador, where it's produced, this tool blends heritage with functionality. Imikasa, a renowned global leader in machete production, forges the Rude Boy. With its 18-inch length and 2.5mm blade thickness, this machete is built for most tasks, whether it's clearing brush, building shelter, or defending yourself. Flowers designed the handle in the style of a typical Latin American machete, a design that's been proven effective and used worldwide. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Rude Boy machete is a versatile and dependable tool every prepper should consider.